In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install brushes in Photopea. Before we jump in, make sure you have a brush file ready. Photopea supports Photoshop brush files in the .abr format, so look for downloads that clearly say ABR. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated brushes folder. When possible, download from trusted sources so you know the brushes are safe and high quality. Now open Photopea in your browser. You can start by opening any existing image or creating a new project with the size you need. Either option works. Having a canvas ready just lets you test your brushes right away. If you're creating from scratch, choose a simple background color so the strokes are easy to see. Next, let's bring up the Brushes panel. Go to the top menu, click Window, and then choose Brushes. This opens the Brush Library panel, usually as a floating panel or docked on the side. If you don't see it at first, check behind other panels. Sometimes it opens tucked away. With the Brushes panel visible, look for the small menu icon in the top right corner of that panel. Click it, then choose Import Brushes, ABR. Navigate to the folder where you saved your brush file, select it, and confirm. Photopea will load the brushes immediately, often placing them in a new folder inside the Brushes panel. If the import takes a moment, that's normal for larger sets. To start using your new brushes, select the brush tool from the toolbar or just press the letter B on your keyboard. In the top options bar, adjust the size, hardness, opacity, or flow to suit your artwork. Open the brush picker to scroll through your imported set and click the one you want. For a clean test, it's a good idea to create a new empty layer first so you can paint non-destructively and delete or tweak it later without affecting your background. Now paint directly on the canvas to see the brush in action. If you don't see anything, make sure you're on a visible layer, your foreground color isn't the same as your background, and your brush opacity isn't set too low. If the stroke looks too dense or too light, adjust opacity and flow in the options bar. You can also fine-tune spacing and dynamics inside the brush settings to change how the stroke feels as you draw. That's it. Download a .abr, open Photopea, show the brushes panel, import, pick your brush, and paint. Once you've done it once, adding new brush sets becomes a quick part of your creative workflow.